Ayanokoji Kiyotaka is a fictional character from the light novel series, Classroom of the Elite. He is known for his exceptional ability to read and manipulate people. While Ayanokoji's skills are fictional and exaggerated for dramatic effect, there are some general principles you can apply to enhance your ability to understand and interpret people in real life. Here are some tips. 1. Observe body language *. Pay attention to nonverbal cues such as facial expressions, gestures, posture, and eye movements. These can reveal a lot about a person's emotions and intentions. 2. Listen actively *. Focus on what people are saying and how they say it. Tone of voice, pitch, and speed of speech can provide insights into their emotional state and confidence level. 3. Ask open-ended questions *. Encourage people to share more about themselves by asking open-ended questions that require more than a simple yes or no answer. This allows you to gather more information and understand their perspective. 4. Be empathetic *. Try to understand things from the other person's point of view. Empathy can help you connect with people on a deeper level and understand their motivations and emotions. 5. Notice patterns *. Look for patterns in people's behavior over time. Consistent behaviors may reveal their true nature, motivations, and habits. 6. Be patient *. Developing the skill of reading people takes time and practice. Be patient and stay committed to improving your understanding of human behavior. 7. Consider context *. Take into account the context in which interactions are occurring. People may behave differently in various situations. So understanding the context helps in interpreting their actions accurately. 8. Understand cultural differences *. Be aware of cultural nuances that may impact how people express themselves. Different cultures have distinct communication styles, and understanding these differences can help you interpret behavior more accurately. 9. Trust your instincts *. Intuition plays a role in reading people. If something feels off or doesn't match the person's words, there may be more to the situation than meets the eye. 10. Learn from experience *. The more you interact with different people, the more you'll learn about human behavior. Reflect on your experiences and use them to refine your ability to read people. It's important to note that while these tips can help you become more perceptive, it's not about manipulation or deceit. The goal should be to build genuine connections and understand others for positive and constructive reasons.